I love playing music. I started piano lessons at the age of 5. I came into MIT thinking that I probably wouldn't do anything with music. I was aware there were music things, but I could not ever imagine how much there is.
In our Emerson Harris program for private study, we currently have 40 to 50 talented students who are getting lessons from the best teachers in the greater Boston area, who take part in master classes with guest artists from around the world, present full recitals at the end of the year, and also play really difficult, challenging repertoire ranging from Buxtehude to Ligeti.
And there are a lot of people who are just as serious about doing music as a lot of other people in conservatories and people who want to continue to practice and learn from each other.
These are grayscale optical sensors, and they're looking down, and they're measuring the hammer shank velocity 800 times a second. And so
I have really enjoyed watching MIT students and MIT's top pianists get their hands on this new technology. With the Steinway Spirio, the students are able to play exactly what they imagined, and then the Spirio technology captures it and then reproduces it to a really high fidelity. It is exactly what you played. And the students are able to now be in the shoes of the audience member or be in the shoes of a teacher.
When I'm in the moment and trying to play, I'm trying to feel the music. Whereas if I was an audience member, when I step back and listen to my own recording, it allows me to say, oh, I'm rushing over here, or I'm taking too much time here.
This is beautiful. More, less. That's great. We have this ongoing conversation. Musicians can play at their utmost best on the utmost best instrument, being faced and observed by the best scientists and technology that is available out there. We spent 2 days with the Spirio in the MIT Nano's immersion lab. And we are able to come to an understanding about how it is that pianists are able to do what they do, how it is that great pianists are able to move and produce sound, how it is that we can observe this as a natural phenomenon. I could see the future of piano teaching happening before my eyes.